first we need to clean all these things up and then we can start the video. Now we cleaned everything, kind of. We are ready to start the video. I'm ready to start the video. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to talk about capsule wardrobe today while organizing and decluttering my wardrobe. Principal idea of this is learn more about capsule wardrobe, also for me, also for yourself, mostly for spring wardrobe 2022. First, to do this video, we need to find out what's capsule wardrobe. I found some kind of explanation, so I'm going to read. Capsule wardrobe is a term used in American publications as early as the 1940s to denote a small collection of garments designed to be worn together which harmonized in color and line. The term capsule wardrobe was revived by Susie Fogg, the owner of a London boutique called Wardrobe, in the 70s. And what is the point of a capsule wardrobe? The purpose behind a capsule wardrobe is to maintain a collection of essential classic pieces in your closet. And you know I'm all about elegant and classic. They can be mixed and matched over time. It's practice of personalizing your wardrobe with items you love and that fit your lifestyle, but on a scale of 30 to 40 pieces. Okay, I don't know how many pieces we're going to mention today. I found kind of a list. It really differed because mostly about capsule wardrobe I saw it really seasonal. There's like winter capsule wardrobe, spring, summer and so on. So as we are closer to the spring, I thought I'm going to look at spring capsule wardrobe to not get really too confused, and also a few trends, but I think trends you can learn on my blog. I wrote blog post and with shoppable links. Spring capsule wardrobe, that's about cleaning, organizing, decluttering small, normal people sized wardrobe while checkpointing and saying if we have something from capsule wardrobe in general. If you like this video, if you're curious about learning more about capsule wardrobe and styling, give us a thumbs up, subscribe and let me know in the comment section down below, because then I will do a second part where we are going to do more fun things and style these capsule wardrobe clothing for 1 week, and I'm going to wear it for 1 week and show it off to you how I wear it. Therefore, like and subscribe, and now I think we can start. Get into action a little. We took out everything which is on my hangers. And now we are going to see if some of these are capsule wardrobe items or not. Then we are going to check them out and put it in our closet. And also I want to get rid of the clothing which are like more wintry clothing and leave only spring and maybe summery items, because in Spain it starts to get a little bit like springish light but not still, and then it will one day it will just turn into full summer. From skirt. It's really weird, there's no skirt. How can you have a spring wardrobe without skirt on this? I would say maxi skirt or midi skirt. Maxi skirt is really trendy this year, that's for sure. So if you have maxi skirt, that's great. I have this maxi skirt, to be quite honest, it's really lightweighted, so you could really style it up really nice with like denim jacket or even leather jacket. And then I have this midi skirt, black one, which I wear all year round except summer. It's like the best purchase I have ever done. Then this dress is pretty winter-like. This is really springtime. Then it says midi dress in general, like midi dress, and I can say like midi dress really nice. I think this is capsule wardrobe like, because it has like that really casual vibe that you can dress up or dress down as you want. I think we are going to include this one. But that's another thing about capsule wardrobe, what I have learned. Don't just read online and then run around getting that capsule wardrobe what people tell you to do. You need to see what your style is, what you wear daily, what's your routine is, and then adjust to your routine. We had midi dress, maxi skirt. Because I'm going to include it, because how can you have a spring wardrobe without maxi skirt or midi skirt at least. Denim jackets for spring, it's like, I think it's must have. Button-up shirts, perfect shirts for everything. You can put it on bikini in summer, you can put it on everything in the springtime when it gets cold. You can wear it with dresses, you can wear it with basic tops. You can just layer it up in winter time even with like leather goods. Button-ups are the best ones. Here in the list I have plain and button-up like fun pattern, and I think this goes with plain more. I have this striped kind of Vila Clothing blouse. I had it and wanted to sell it, and then I found the way to style it up. I'm going to leave this one as the fun pattern button up. It's kind of a blouse. I think it goes kind of both ways. Then we have cardigans. This is pretty wintry cardigan. This one, small cardigan, really cute. Summer, spring. Dress it up, dress it down, layer it up. And then also this bustier I have, and this is actually in the trendy kind of capsule wardrobe was written. It was really affordable for what it is, and it looks luxurious. Then blazers. Blazers definitely a must-have. I actually would love to have a beige blazer and some kind of fun tone. Wear it with leathers, wear it with denim. Denim. Denim is obviously a capsule wardrobe must-have. I have a few pairs and I have one style I want to get. From t-shirts, tops and all that, plain t-shirt, I kind of have plain t-shirt on. White t-shirt, I do suggest the first one white. I think white really elevate the look. I have also black one, I suggest you get from Amazon. They have really good basics. Just going to fold it. From the clothing items, let's take a list and go really fast over what I have and what I don't. And you can also just do this with me, that's the purpose of this video. So, t-shirt, we had like plenty of them. Bodysuit. Bodysuits, I have really colorful ones like this one from Naked Fashion and then a lilac one. So I assume I should get like a nude or black one. I really want black one. They fit like a glove, especially if you are bigger chested and you hate sometimes to wear bras but you also don't want to look trashy. I suggest you to get bodysuits because they usually are like swimsuits, so like they snack you in and you look great. Blouse, don't have. I feel like I should have blouse, something I can style up and dress down and up. The button-ups have plenty. Sweatshirt, I had sweater fun pattern, not too much, but I also don't really wear it. Oversize sweater, kind of have, kind of don't. In the picture it looked like a kind of like a tunic type. I don't have those ones, but they also look really bad on me. Cardigans, we have blazer, searching for some. Denim we have, but also searching for some because those are like old as hell and I need like one really trendy one which I can dress up and down. Leather trousers I have, really important. Crop trousers, wide leg trousers don't have, and actually would love to. I always thought it's really official office type of vibe, but to be honest now it's trendy to wear trousers with like crop tops and t-shirts and it looks really cool and stylish. Midi dress we have, trench coat I have, but it's not really like this classy trench coat. It's like a little bit stylized, so I would say not sure. Leather jacket we have, leather jacket, spring without leather jacket, I know it's spring without leather jacket. To be honest, there's no denim jacket, but I'm going to include that and we're going to talk about including stuff later on. Purse and tote. I have this cool one, which I really like. It's like top handle bag and a small one, but I really love it. Heeled boots. I have two, my favorite, the best boots ever I have owned. These are from Mongo, really great deal. I got for €5, can you imagine? And they are so cozy and so flattering. From Vivaya, sustainable recycled plastic bottles. and they are like sock boots and they look and feel amazing. Then we have chunky boots. I don't really have chunky boots, I have combat boots, but flats, I do have flats. Again, we buy a sustainable fashion. They have also in black, really beautiful, but they were sold out when I got these. And then it says loafers, and I don't like loafers. Then we have sneakers. I have a lot of sneakers lately. I got gifted one, black ones. Then I have Fila sneakers, which are chunky sneakers.
Then I have all the Adidas sneakers. I have some all white sneakers. I have Converse sneakers, which are also like a spring must-have Converse sneakers. They don't have to be Converse, but just that like typical iconic Converse look.
And then I have this Tommy Hilfiger. I wanted to wrap this all up, and just what we learned and what I discovered and understood about capsule wardrobes. First, don't just read and go buy stuff you will never wear, because the reason and idea of capsule wardrobe is items you're actually going to wear and style up and down in different ways, and therefore you need to take into consideration your own style. Maybe you're more boo-boo, maybe you're more like hippie type or rocky edgy type, but your routine is maybe you're really office work. You're not going to wear denim kind of button-ups and leather leggings. Second one is, for me, I feel like there were so many exceptions which I would include in like a capsule wardrobe. For example, there was not written cotton normal leggings, which I think are also, you can like dress up, dress down. Leather leggings as well. I know it's more like fall winter maybe, but I think in spring you can wear with those button-ups. For example, mini skirt, there was like none of mini skirt. I think mini skirt is also something you can include in spring. I don't know, at least I think. For me. I hope you learned something from this video. I hope you organized and decluttered your closet wardrobe with me. Let me know what you want to see next, and if you want to see part 2 where we are wearing and styling capsule wardrobe items for a week, tag me in your Instagram stories if you are decluttering and organizing after seeing my video. I would love to see it, and see you guys next time. Bye!